Okay, so it is the Sunday of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I am heading out to the place for the Philly Ride meetup. I feel like, yep, my dongle's loose. Right, so as I was saying, it's the Sunday of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, or the DGR. I am calling it the Hooligan Ride, because I do not have a cafe racer or like a modern classic type of bike, like one of Giant's Bonnevilles or something. So I'm calling it the Hooligan's Ride because of that, and I'm riding Samara, so no one gave her the memo that she does not fit that category. I mean, a naked sports bike. But then again, I don't really think that something like this should be like. My eyes are not closing all the way. Should be necessarily constrained to a certain type, make, a model, or like age of a bike. So it is what it is. And I really don't feel like riding the Harley today for a ride like that. I've actually never done like a large scale group ride. So it'll be interesting, I'm sure. And I should run a little bit behind today. So all I know is we're supposed to be there at like 8:30. Yeah, because I'm running late. You take the highway, interstate there. Hopefully not run into all the extra traffic. It's normally on a Schuylkill. Yeah, because I got 811. God, the mirror hates me today. I bumped it in something. It's not right. Alright, anyways, I will catch you guys at the dealership when I pull in. Oh, this is a great plan. Okay, so I just went and dropped off my old iPhone 10 as part of the iPhone upgrade program because I got the XS. So nothing really eventful there. But I did just go and pick up the iPhone, or not iPhone, the Hero 7, GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I'm running at 27K, 60 frames a second with Pro Tune on. I got the full stabilization going with whatever, that new hyperfangle doodad. And what else? So, yeah, let's see. Basically, the same setup as I had for my 5. That was an ugly quick shift. You need more gas. So basically the same settings and everything as my GoPro 5. Except I set them in of like 800. So like a max of 800 for ISO. To get auto light balance for that. For my color. So all pretty much the normal settings that I would expect to normally use. Just basically the only difference being stabilization, and it's the GoPro Hero 5. Yeah. So I'm heading home also after the DGR Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I don't know, it was kind of less exciting than expected. I guess less eventful, I guess. It's the route, like the organization for the route and ride was good. It's just like kind of the route was like, left a bit to be wanted. I guess just for me, there was a lot of straight roads, very few curvy parts. And then like we ended up in New Hope. And it was just kind of like, yeah, you're there, bye, do whatever. But then again, I mean, it was like 200 people coming in for the ride. So like picking one venue for like lunch or something, it's kind of hard to do. So that's understandable, that's fine. So as far as audio, I did not one-touch record this. I did the normal, turn the GoPro on, hit record. I will try the one-touch recording, see if it actually got fixed. I didn't update the firmware though, because I literally just got the GoPro. Threw it into my helmet mount, and off I go. But I expect basically the audio to be about the same. It's like the audio processing changed with the GP1. I did really notice that the new GoPro connected up to my camera or my phone so much more quickly. So I'd like to see what else we see in terms of differences. I mean, it should be completely different. Iteration 1 test. QuikCapture Iteration 2 test. Iteration 3 for QuikCapture.